Hi, I'm Alicia Zara Sopra.
Hi, I'm Samia, and we are from group Roti. Okay, girls, please turn to page 73. Girls, have you seen the state of your whiteboard?
I am super hungry right now. Teacher wouldn't mind if I just take a single. Oh!
I can solve this inventive problem. Ish, ugly lah. I have to use recycled wood. Ish, I forgot.
2,000 years later.
And finally, I finished my drawing.
Sebaliknya, apabila
We made this Roti Bakar holder by using a square-shaped pen holder with a length of 5 cm and height of 10 cm from Mr. DIY. We colored it using marker pens to make it look like the side of the bread. The bread design is made out of cardboard. Using a hot glue gun, we glued it to the front and the back of the pen holder. The top of the water bottle was cut and glued inside the marker pen holder to separate the pens and the duster. We then glued the cap of the plastic water bottle to the back of our product and glued the magnet to it after.
Hiya, your class are the worst batch I ever taught, you know. See this class don't even have good. Ayo, look at your class. Don't have two whiteboard, don't have this, don't have that. What is your head fun? Hiya, the worst class I